Hello, this is John Rollins, here to show you my 2008 Ford F350 Lariat dually. I do want to apologize, it is a little windy today, so there may be some wind noise in the video. I just got this truck in. It's absolutely gorgeous. Charcoal gray exterior, got a light gray interior. Only 52,000 miles on this truck. Rear park assist, factory tow package. This truck does have a tailgate step, B&W Gooseneck Hitch, 7-pin connector is in the bed. You've got a power sliding rear window. Down both the driver's side and the passenger side look great. You do have a few scratches I'm going to point out right here on the flares. My detailer did touch that up. Looks like maybe the paint's a little darker, so I'm going to have that fixed. Nice ground effects, running boards package, factory tow mirrors, factory alloy wheels. You've got cab lights, fog lights, nice chrome bumper, chrome grille. Again, this truck is super clean, only 50,000 miles. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of it. This is a Lariat, so you've got the nice wood grain trim. You got power extend and power fold mirrors, memory driver seat with 2 settings, of course leather interior, power seats on both sides. The interior of this truck is in beautiful shape. You got the nice big center console, automatic headlights, tilt wheel. Cruise control is on the left side here with your climate control fan speed at the bottom. The right side, you've got your audio control with the temperature control. This truck only has 52,581 miles. You got a power sliding rear window. 4-wheel drive and rear park assist buttons are right here. 6-disc CD changer. Automatic dual zone climate control. The truck does, of course, have heated seats. Factory trailer brake controller. You've got upfitter switches. Adjustable foot pedals. You got an auxiliary input here. Got a nice overhead console. The rear seats look just as good as the front. Everything is in beautiful shape. The seats do lift up. Got nice metal trays that fold out, so if you need to put something inside the cab, you've got a little storage area here. Don't have to worry about tearing your seats. The headliner is in beautiful shape. No rips or tears. There's another look at your dash. Powerstroke Diesel. It's a V8 twin turbo. The truck is all stock. Again, my name's John Rollins. Thank you for watching the video. If you're interested in this truck, you can reach me directly at 614-563-9999. I have had this truck fully through our shop. It had a small oil leak that was repaired. Also, my shop found the radiator was cracked, so this truck has a brand new radiator and coolant flush. So it is 100% ready to go. So if you have any questions, please get a hold of me. Thank you. I do have financing, I do take trades, I do have shipping. Thanks.